Hey there, and welcome back. First off, a huge congratulations on making it through the entire tutorial. You've really put in the work, and now we're going to spend a few minutes locking in that powerful mental toolkit you've been building for working with generative AI. So think of this as the final review of your journey through the top 10 mental disciplines to strengthen to be effective with generative AI. We're just going to walk through everything one more time to really make sure these crucial concepts stick with you as you start using these tools out in the wild. Right at the start, we kicked things off with this core idea that getting good with AI, well, it's not really about being some tech wizard. Instead, it's all about upgrading our own mental frameworks, kind of rewiring how we think so we can collaborate with these new tools effectively. And this quote right here, it is pretty much the key to everything that follows. When you start seeing AI as your collaborator, your partner, and not your competitor, that is the game-changing shift. That's what unlocks its real potential. All right, here's a quick roadmap of our recap. We're going to revisit those core mindsets, your interaction skills, the uniquely human stuff you bring to the table, and of course, the path to mastery. Let's dive right in with the foundation. Okay, so first up, the tutorial kicked off with the absolute fundamentals, the ways of thinking that get you ready to engage with AI in the first place. This is your foundation for everything else. You learned how to be a really sharp editor, right? Always questioning what the AI gives you, not just taking it at face value. You also learned to embrace being a curious explorer in a field that's changing by the minute, and how to be an adaptable navigator who can ride the waves of change instead of getting swamped by them. You know, these two disciplines, critical thinking and adaptability, they're like your dynamic duo. They're what help you tap into AI's incredible power while, dodging those pitfalls, like those infamous hallucinations where the AI just confidently makes stuff up. Okay, so that's a great question. Let's shift gears from how you think about AI to what you actually do when you sit down to work with it. Next up, the course dove into the really practical, hands-on skills for communicating and collaborating with AI, especially when you're working as part of a team. You saw it yourself, right? The quality of your instructions, your prompts, it completely dictates the quality of the answers you get back. We also dug into how you can intelligently bring AI into your team, thinking of it like a superpowered specialist who, doesn't have that human gut feeling. These pictures really show the two sides of the same coin. On one side, it's all about that crystal clear communication, guiding the AI with real precision. And on the other, it's about smart integration, using it to boost your team's work, enhancing human collaboration, not replacing it. All right, so beyond the mindset and the practical skills, we then explore those crucial internal disciplines. This is the stuff that keeps your work grounded in what makes us human, our values and our wisdom. Now, this group of skills, this is what really sets the human partner apart from the AI. It's about managing your own reactions, applying wisdom that AI just can't get, thinking about how these tools are shaping your own thought process, and, so importantly, navigating the ethical side of all this. And this pairing is just so important. That first image, that's all about metacognition, thinking about your own thinking, so you can evaluate AI objectively. And the one on the right, that's your ethical compass, looking outward, thinking about the impact of these tools and making sure you're using them responsibly. Okay, so we've got the mindset, we've got the skills, we've got that human compass, but what's the one thing that ties it all together? What's the engine that's really driving all of this? And that brought us to the final lesson, which was such a crucial reminder. Becoming a true expert, a real partner to AI, it's not something that just happens overnight. You learned that patience and persistence, they are absolutely key. This isn't a race, right? It's all about embracing that learning curve, celebrating the small wins along the way, and putting in that steady effort that leads to real skill. All right, so you've done the tutorial, we're wrapping up this recap, so what's next? Where do you go from here to put all this great stuff into practice? Well, the tutorial gives you a really clear, actionable game plan. And the biggest takeaway is this: don't try to master all 10 things at once. That's just a recipe for burnout. Instead, just pick one. Maybe it's crafting better prompts. Maybe it's being more critical of the output. Focus on it, practice it, see how it goes, and then only when you feel ready, add another one to your practice. And that brings us to the most important point of all. This whole journey, it wasn't just about learning to use a new tool. It was about something much bigger. It's been about learning how to build a powerful, effective, and responsible partnership between our own human ingenuity and artificial intelligence. So, once again, a huge congratulations on this fantastic achievement. You now have the complete mental toolkit. The only real question left is, which discipline are you going to practice first? Your journey to mastery is just beginning.